So what have you done them slits for?
Get my chisels, chisel them out. What you basically do is just sink them into each other. And
So you're making a frame?
Yeah, and dowel them. I just want them to look like the old French way where they're then putting a mitre and making a mitre frame.
Yeah, I see.
Chisel that now, not chisel out. Do you know what? Well, that's 180. It's under the ones. It's 180. I thought I had 80 fit.
Camera's playing up a bit. Just showing you this frame that Fran's made for the cupboard door. Well, it's actually going to be a wardrobe because the house, with the bedroom being small, we found it difficult to get wardrobes to fit, so we just built in the alcoves, building a frame and some shelves. So this is the frame he's done at the moment. He's going to put this, I think it's called architrave round. This actually matches what was already in the house, in the bedroom. So it matches the cupboard, the architrave around the cupboard that's already in there. So he's going to fit this afternoon, hopefully. He is a bit short on this, so he's got to go and buy some more. So keep you tuned how it goes and what it looks like. What are you doing there?
Because there's a bow in the doors, we'll have to try and straighten them out with some buttons. That's all these on. Put them on the backs. 3 of them will pull them in, and hopefully it might just take a little bit of a bow out.
So that you won't be seeing them, will you? Because that'll be
No.
on the inside of the wardrobe,
Yeah.
the cupboard. Is that the second door you're on to now?
Yeah.
This is the clothes cupboard. It's going to be made, well, it is getting made to match that cupboard there. As you can see, the frame's already been put in. So that's an alcove we've used because we can't get any wardrobes to fit in there. Just painted inside that old cupboard there to make it look cleaner. And there's the door there, the two doors up front is fitted. Just needs some handles and another coat of paint.
Right, go on girl, what's it you doing there?
I'm painting the wall, the main wall of the bedroom green, to match the doors.
What are you doing, y'all?
These side walls are going to be painted grey. The skirting board will be painted grey to match to the door frames.
Nice.
This is going to be the guest bedroom, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think that green area is called Serene. That's I think that's the French colour. I don't know.
That was the French one, wasn't it? But we
Yeah.
brought this back from the UK, didn't we?
This one's UK, yeah.
Them cupboards, they were originally built into the house when the house was built. And because there's not really much space for wardrobes, I made these ones like a copy of them
It's a match.
to match, and just same bed, just put some shelves inside, just for clothing.
One thing this place lacks is storage, isn't it?
Yeah, I'd say it lacks a lot of storage.
Yeah.
And I just boxed the ceiling at the top, skimmed it, splendid it all in, looks quite alright. And what's happening with the floor?
Getting sanded, isn't it?
Yeah.
And varnished.
Are you going to do it in a dark colour or are you going to do it in a light colour?
I'll probably do in a light colour. It's only too dark.
That's something else for another day, innit?
Yeah.
Another video.
It's once all the bedrooms done.
Nice. Good afternoon everyone. Just let you see what I'm going to be doing today. As you can see, I'm in the barn. It's nice and bright down here, but upstairs, get up the stairs is a nightmare. They're wobbly, unsafe, plus it's very dark up there. And lo and behold, the light switch for upstairs happens to be upstairs. So what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be taking a light switch from upstairs and I'm going to be bringing it down and putting a new one. So I'm going to be putting this little box one downstairs and taking a lead and feeding off that one upstairs and then bringing it down. Just so that when I come in here, I just switch the lights on and it lights upstairs and I go straight up, then saves all the scuffling about in the dark. But anyway, I'll just show you what it's like when I'm going upstairs. And then there's my lovely stairs, really unsafe. See how dark it is up there? I have to go very slow because if I don't, so you can see that top step there. It's an absolute nightmare. And then when I go upstairs, this is what I can see. I don't know whether the camera's picking anything up. I happen to get a bit of light coming up on the floor where it's not finished. Just bear with us. Oopsie easy. Right. This is it. This is all I can see. I'll just show you what the potential is. That's the hole for the little stairs. So it's not even a proper staircase, just like a ladder. And I have to walk over here. And I have to That's it. I have to press that switch. And then duct tape on it because it just switches itself back on. So I'm going to be opening these doors. I've also got a leak in the roof, which I'm going to have to fix. I know where the leak's coming from. The camera's going to pick that up. Right, let's see if I can see it. There we go. Here we go. There's the hole in the ceiling in the roof, so I've got to fix that as well, which is not too easy. You can take the tile off from the inside and put a new one in. So we'll let some light on. Right, this is the upstairs, the barn. This is another future project. But for today, it's just going to be get that light, get that sorted, get a light down there, and I don't have to come up here to switch the lights on, which will be a lot safer and better for me. So I'll get everything sorted and I'll come back. Right, just putting this trunking in now for the wires to go down. So we know now this is modern wires for once. I've rewired that to there. That's just a box. There's no way. I just used the cover of the old light switch, but there's nothing electrical in there. But that's actually got the junction box inside that, which I've used for now, which is ideal. And I'll go downstairs now and I'll just put my socket on at the other end, and that's it. I don't have to come here anymore to switch the light on. I can just switch it on downstairs. And as you can see there, that's where I have to climb down each time. So that's another job on my list, is to make a new set of stairs and get rid of that big diesel tank down there. So that'll be coming up in a future video. Now my next job is just to bring that down here. I'll staple it along the top, which I did do before, but I had to take it off because the wire wouldn't go in. And I'll bring it down, I'll just put my socket to there, which will be fine. Okay. Let's continue again. which will be okay for me. Like that. Right. Right, I've just got to sort these wires out. I want to come back in tomorrow and do it because it's getting a bit late, you see. So, but you can see it's now working. So, another job off my list.